Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start dropshipping with Poshmark, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, you'll need to set up a Poshmark account. Visit the Poshmark website or download the mobile app. Click on sign up and fill in the required information. Choose a unique username that reflects your brand. Once your account is created, explore the platform to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, research trending products in categories that interest you. Look for items that have high demand and low competition. Create a list of potential suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Visit their websites to understand their product offerings and pricing. Once you have your suppliers lined up, it's time to select the products you want to sell. Choose items that align with Poshmark's focus on fashion and lifestyle. Take high-quality photos of the products. Ensure the images are clear and well lit to attract potential buyers. Craft engaging product descriptions that highlight the key features. Use relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Set competitive prices based on your research of similar products. Before listing, ensure you're aware of Poshmark's policies on dropshipping. Now, it's time to create your listings on Poshmark. Upload the photos and input the product details you've prepared. Double-check for any errors or omissions in your descriptions. Once everything looks good, hit the list button to make your product available for sale. Now, you'll need to promote your listings to attract buyers. Share your listings on social media platforms and relevant communities. Consider participating in Poshmark parties to gain more visibility. Engage with other users by liking and commenting on their products. This can help build relationships and lead to potential sales. Monitor your sales and customer feedback closely. Use this information to refine your strategies and product selection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.